Hello and welcome to Sapthora. I am Kumar and in this video you will study to draw Eastern Bluebird in different actions. So let's start. First we study side view of Bluebird. Draw a small circle for head. Then we draw a center line or line of action. Now we measure a body according to the head. So body of Bluebird is twice of the head. Here we draw ellipse for the body. Then we'll measure our tail, which is equal to the size of the body. Then mark a line of beak and draw curves for the back. The curved line of the back is very important as it defines the angle of posture at which a bird is sitting. Draw a circle for the eye always above the line of beak. Now we'll draw wings. Just a few suggestive lines for the wings and then we'll define tail. Okay, then we draw legs little bit in center here. This is just to create a balance of the overall weight of the bird in drawing. And it's done. Now we'll draw one more bird here at back. This is in 3/4 view, which means in between the front and side view. We are following the same process and measuring the proportion of Bluebird. Here marking the line for beak and drawing our head in 3/4. See, whenever you draw a Bluebird, always remember that the eye of the Bluebird is above the line of the beak. As you can see how I am moving my hand and creating a suggestive lines for our Bluebird study. It is not compulsory to dark every line clearly. Few lines looks good when they are only for the suggestions. Now we'll draw legs. See, now our birds look good. Yeah. Now we'll draw one more bird here, which is like flying. Observe it clearly so that you can find how to draw the wings. Here I am drawing wings for the bird. This bird is like about to rest on a tree. And this way we have drawn wings First define the few suggestive lines like this. And then we draw legs. Here the important thing is to observe how we have drawn our legs. As a bird is in action, so their feet also defines the action. Now we define some contours line so that the drawing of a bird will be more clearly visible. And our birds are all done. Now we'll draw some trees, branches with some flowers. This is just for the background. And it's all done. So to learn more, join our online academy sapthora.com and book your free demo now.